Hello all, welcome to Applied Chemistry Electrochemistry Lecture Series. So in this series, this particular session, we discuss about conductometric titrations. So conductometric titration is an electrochemical method of analysis concerned with electrical conductance through a electrolyte solution, or it is defined as determination or measurement of an electrical conductance of an electrolyte solution by means of conductometer. Electrical conductivity of an electrolyte solution depends upon the types of ions. It may be cation, anion, or charged. Concentration of ions, temperature, mobility of ions. Principle. Based on the conductance of electrical current through electrolyte solution, it is similar to a metallic conductor. The electrical conductance in accordance with Ohm's law, which states that the strength of the current passing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference and inversely to the resistance. That is, I is equal to V by R. So this is the conductometer, where a conductivity cell is represented here. So what is a conductance G? Which current flows per unit area of the conductor per unit potential applied and is reciprocal to the resistance R. In the instrument, we have a current source, conductivity cells, electrodes. When electrical potential is applied across electrodes, two process occurs. Ion, Ions accumulate near the electrodes, transfer of charge to the interface. DC current is not employed in the conductance because here the electrical resistance mainly depends upon the polarization involved in the electrodes. The conductivity cell is made up of a pyrex or quartz and are fitted with two platinum electrodes. Should be placed in vessel containing water to maintain constant temperature. And the types are wide-mouthed cell for reactions producing precipitations, dip type cells. Electrodes. Platinum sheets, each of 1 centimeter square, are fixed at a distance of 1 centimeter. The surface is coated with platinum black to avoid the polarization, and the platinization of the electrode is done by coating solution of 3% chloroplatinic acid and lead acetate. So the electrode's usage depends on conductivity and concentration. How the measurement is being done. The instrument used to measure the conductance is called conductance bridge or conductometer. The classical circuit employed for the measurement is Wheatstone bridge. All other work on this principle. Conductometric titration is process of a qualitative chemical analysis is which concentration of some sample is determined. The type of conductometric titrations, acid-base or neutral titrations, replacement or displacement reactions, redox reactions, precipitation reactions, compleximetric titration, non-aqueous titrations. So here we usually have a strong acid versus strong base, strong acid versus weak acid versus strong base, or weak acid versus weak base, or sometimes the mixture of acids. The advantages of the conductivity titration is it does not require indicators since change in conductance is measured by the conductometer. It is suitable for colored solution. Since the endpoint is determined by graphical means, accurate results are obtained with minimum error. The disadvantages are the increased level of salt in a solution marks the conductivity changes. Application of conductometric titration to the redox system is limited because high concentration of hydronium ion in the solution tend to mask the changes in the conductance. So there are wide applications. We can check the water pollution level, alkalinity of fresh water, salinity of seawater, deuterium ion in the water, food microbiology tracing microorganisms, tracing antibiotics, estimate ash content, purity of distilled and deionized water, solubility of sparingly soluble salt, determination of atmospheric substances. So this is a typical graph of strong acid versus strong base, where the intersection gives the endpoint. This is strong acid versus weak base. The graph goes like this. Here, weak acid versus strong base, weak acid versus weak base titration. So these are the typical examples of the conductometric titration graphs. Thank you.